How to get your saved reels on Instagram. So to get your saved reels on Instagram, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram app like this now, tap on this reel section now. After you tap on this reel section now, let's say now go ahead and find the video that you want to save. So let's say now I want to, let's say, save this video. Let's say now I want to save this video on my Instagram. So to save the video, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the bottom right side, three dot. After you tap on the three dot now, tap on this save button, Now I saved the video on my Instagram. So now if you want to find the video, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, now here is your profile now. Tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now tap on this save button. After you open this save now, tap on this, as you can see now, all post. This one, tap on this all post. So after you open this all post now, allow it to finish loading. Now you can see all the posts that you save. As you can see now here is the reel that I saved on my Instagram. As you can see now, if I refresh now, so as you can see now, here is the reel that I saved now. Now open it. As you can see now, here is the reel that I saved on my Instagram. That's it guys on how to find your reels that you save on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.